Dear traders, let us review the major economic events in the last week. On Monday, American stock indexes closed higher. U.S. homebuilder confidence rose in August to its highest level in nearly a decade. The S&P 500 closed higher 0.5%, with healthcare and consumer discretionary stocks leading the gains as 9 out of 10 sectors closed higher. On Tuesday, the Nikkei index dropped 0.3% and reached its more than 5-week low. The yen continued getting stronger. Investors were concerned the Japanese export to China will contract due to the yen-yuan devaluation and the slowing pace of the Chinese economic growth. European stocks extended losses on Wednesday as market sentiment was undermined with concerns over China. The Stoxx 600 index lost 1%, German DAX 1.4%, and French CAC 40 declined 0.9%. Mining shares were hit the hardest due to commodity slump as China growth slowed down and China's devaluation of yuan spurred concerns about the state of its economy and prospects of export to the second largest world economy. The German parliament approved the agreement on the next loan to Greece, pushing the ATEX composite up 0.8%, which was not enough to support the European stock indexes. The ICE US dollar index fell to 8-week low as market participants expected the Chinese slowdown might delay the US interest rate hike. On Thursday, the world oil prices fell for the 8th week in a row, which is the most long-lasting and continuous decline since 1986. China increased its sugar import by 72.2% this July compared to 2014 to 480,000 tons. This might lift the prices from their recent 7-year low. The sugar import to China has doubled compared to imports in June. On Friday, the soy quotes hit a 6-year low on worries China may reduce its purchases. Meanwhile, the agriculture agency ProFarmer expects the U.S. soy production to reach 3,887 billion this year. This is lower than the official forecast of the U.S. Agriculture Department, which is 3,916 billion bushels, with the average crop yield of 46.9 bushels per acre. This week, we recommend you to pay attention to New Zealand's trade balance, which comes out on Wednesday, and the US GDP to be announced on Thursday. The initial jobless claims are to be published simultaneously, and this data may affect the Federal Reserve plans on the interest rate hike in September. These were the major events of the past week. Happy trading. See you next week.